Now again dig into your kitchen, take out baking powder. If you do not have that, you can take baking soda. You can take milk of magnesia. That is used for indigestion. You can take Eno. You can even take soap, or as they say, washing soda. Now what is common in all these substances? Have you seen that ad in which, just to prove that the soap is not very harsh, they use a litmus paper and they show whether there is lot of alkali present in it or not? So that is why you can use soap also, because soaps have the bases. All these are bases, and a base that is soluble in water is called alkali. Like sodium hydroxide. So we can say that all alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis, because some bases are not soluble in water. If by mistake while baking a cake a little excess of baking powder goes into the batter, or when you are boiling your grams chana and you wanted to do it fast, you add baking soda, then what happens if it is in excess? The taste gets spoiled. Why so? Because alkalis are bitter in taste. Acids are sour, alkalis are, or the bases are bitter. Now what happens if you touch them? You feel as if you have touched a soap. So they are soapy to touch. The common examples are sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, which is also called lime water. So sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, aluminium hydroxide. These are some of the bases that we are going to talk about. Now just like acids, there are weak bases as well as there are strong bases, and acids are also strong as well as weak. Strong acids are hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, while the organic acids are weak acids like acetic acid. It is a weak acid which we find in the vinegar. Now similarly, there is methanoic acid and ethanoic acid. They are also weak acids. So these acids which are found in the edible material, like in the lime juice or orange juice, there is citric acid. In tamarind there is tartaric acid. In tomato there is oxalic acid. These acids are weak acids, and that is why we can eat them. And the weak bases would be like, say, lead hydroxide, that would be a weak base. Now after this we can write down the strong and the weak acids. Strong acids are usually inorganic acids. Inorganic, and these are HCl, H2SO4, HNO3. Weak acids are the organic acids. So these are acetic acid found in vinegar, oxalic acid found in the tomato, citric acid is found in the citrus fruits, lime, orange, kinnu, and so on. Now your tamarind is also sour. So which one is present in tamarind? Tartaric acid. Tamarind. So these are some of the common acids.